Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Why is ice slippery? A new hypothesis slides into the chat. The slipperiness of ice has been debated by scientists for centuries, with three main theories proposed. 1. Pressure melting. The pressure exerted on ice lowers its melting point, forming a thin water layer. 2. Frictional melting. Friction between the ice and a sliding object generates heat, which melts the ice. 3. Premelting. The surface of ice naturally has a thin, liquid-like layer even before contact. Recently, a new hypothesis was proposed by researchers in Germany. 4. Amorphization. Sliding mechanically disrupts the ordered crystal structure of the ice surface, creating a disordered, amorphous layer that is more slippery. The researchers argue this amorphization, rather than melting, is the primary cause of ice's slipperiness, especially at low temperatures. There is still debate among scientists about the relative importance of these different mechanisms in explaining ice's slipperiness. A consensus has not yet been reached, in part due to differences in vocabulary and lack of communication between researchers. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak